beautiful rising sun. So when we talk about the iconic motorcycles in the Indian market, there are n number of motorcycles, but then there is one name that heads to our mind, and that is none other than the Yamaha RX. So I have been driving this multiple Yamaha RX since many years. So I have some super bikes, and there are super bikes that I do timely change, but then there is one vehicle that I have never changed, and this is Yamaha RX. So design is timeless design, as you can see. I have seen the youngsters studying on these motorcycles continuously, and also the older ones, and obviously they might be feeling very nostalgic like me. As in starter, I have de-chromed everything, every single thing I have de-chromed and converted into black, because our conditions are not very chrome friendly. And also I have changed this rims into the black. I have installed this black 18-inch alloys just to make it very user friendly on highways, because I might be riding this vehicle continuously solo on the highway, and I don't want to get stuck when it gets punctured, right? Also the headlights on the stock vehicles are very weak on the highways especially, so I have also installed this aftermarket auxiliary lights. When we talk about the perfect motorcycles, I think none of them existed. There are always a few bits that we like to change, and that's what the same case is with this RX as well. So trust me guys, this bike is very powerful, very torquey machine, but the brakes on this vehicle were not so good. So that's when I have installed this aftermarket disc brakes, and trust me, this is very useful on the high speed, especially on the highways. And this bike used to come with a very low seat height, and the riding position was not so great. The bike was very cramped. So that's when I have lifted this vehicle for almost 1.5 to 2 inches. And now the riding position is very good. I can cover up to hundreds of kilometers in one shot. Also, I have changed the speedometer on this vehicle. This is the speedometer from RXZ. So the stock speedometer on RX 135, or let's say in RX 100, doesn't have the RPM meter. This vehicle is having an RPM meter, and this helps me a lot. Most of the people love this vehicle because of the way it sounds. The two-stroke engine churns out 14 bhp, and it weighs around somewhere 115 kgs. And I'll show you how this beautiful machine sounds. I mean, I have no words for this. And every time I take this bike on the highways, I mean, I have driven this vehicle with the super bikes as well, and the people with the inline 4 engine also stares at this two-stroke engine, and this feels very great to me. And yeah, this is one of my favorite collection from my garage. And let me know in the comment section below that what you guys love about this vehicle, and what are the memories that you guys having this vehicle. Or maybe if you don't have this vehicle, I will suggest you to at least ride this bike at least once in a lifetime. Thank you. Also the older ones are also also